Are you aware that 90% of DNA test issues in Nigeria actually shows that the men are not the fathers? 90%. That's a big figure. A man went to do DNA test for 3 children. They were about to travel out and discovered that he's not a father to any of the children. He killed his wife, and I think he killed himself, left the children. You are a married man, but you are still gisting with your ex. As what? Your ex can't enter into the circle of your friends again. That a woman is married, but she's still talking to an ex. What are you doing with your ex? Particularly if it's an ex that both of you took yourself on journey you should not go to. What happens is that person becomes a doorway for the possibility of immorality in your life. The chat is an invitation. You are chatting with an ex that still wants you, though married, and you are playing to be naive. What conversation are you opening with a woman you are not married to and deleting the chat? You have started your own pattern too. Are you seeing that what you hated is already happening? I beg you in the name of Jesus, let me say this to you emphatically. You cannot overcome immorality alone. You and your wife, you have to go on the journey together. In marriage, the both will be naked and unashamed. This one that you are married but your phone is passworded with 4 layers of password. You open with facial look or something. Your fingerprint is there. Then there's code. Then PIN. How? What are you locking? You are a married man. WhatsApp is locked. Then you use GB WhatsApp. There are chats. I don't know how they do all those things. Criminal act. The day you begin to delete chats, you already started the journey of adultery.
%90 of children don't belong to their fathers. That is Pastor Femi Lazarus. I would have argued that figure. I would have argued that statistics. But the things I see, and guess what? This man is more privy to that. He's more privy to that information than I am. Because he's a pastor and people talk to him. I would have argued 90%. But if the actual figure is 90%, that means even you are not safe, sir. That means even you are not safe, sir. For some of you, to train your child in the least university in the UK here, it's about 14,000 per session. Minimum 40,000 pounds per session. Converted to Naira, that is about 29-30 million Naira. To do a DNA is 400,000 Naira per child. Go and do it. Even when you don't have money, she does not need to know. Go and do DNA, sir. Even to pay school fees in Nigeria University, you know how much. In Nigeria High School, you know how much. Is 400,000, sir. Do DNA. A word is enough for the wise. He said 90%. That means even you, sir, you're not safe. She does not need to know. There is a DNA that they call peace of mind. She does not need to know. 90%. I did not say it though. I am not good with statistics. I am not good with maths. 90% said a man of God. 90% said a man, Pastor Femi Lazarus. Your wife is discussing with her ex, and you know, and you're forming woke. All the children, I've spoken to a man and I advised him to go do DNA. 4 children, none belonged to him. 4. Your wife is chatting with her ex. An ex. Your wife is chatting with an ex. You, sir, you are chatting with an ex. Until you learn to have order in your home, you people are going to continue to learn the hard way. But my only advice is do DNA. That's the only thing. Let me go and chop. I'm tired.